Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. Friends, in this video lecture we will discuss a couple of questions of exercise 14. So friends, let's get started. Here the question number 3 says, two parallel lines L and M are cut by a transversal T if the interior angles of the same side of T be 2x minus 8 degree and 3x minus 7 degree. Find the measure of each of these angles. Now friends, this question is given. First friends, we have to draw the figure. Now here friends, we have drawn the figures according to the questions, and this says the M and N are two parallel lines and one transversal T will intersect these two parallel lines at different points. Okay, now these 2x minus x 3x minus 7 are the given angles, which is interior angles on the same side of transversal. We can take these two angles friends either side or either side, and these two angles are interior. Now we took these two angles as interior. Now friends, one thing is, remember here the theorems, sum of two interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree friends. Once again I repeat friends, sum of two interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180. Now friends, solution is here. Now the angle friends, this 3x, or either we can write the name friends. This is, suppose this is A, B, C or D, and this is, suppose this is E and this is F. Now friends, the interior angles, angle BE, angle BEF plus angle DFE is equal to 180 degree, because we know the sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree. So we can write from figure angle BEF means this angle plus friends angle DFE means this angle DFE is equal to friends 180 degree. Reason, on the same side of transversal, interior angle on the same side of transversal is supplementary. Interior angle on the same side of transversal is supplementary. This is why. Now put the value of this friends, BEF, this is 3x minus 7 plus DFE 2x minus 8 is equal to friends 180. Now solve. 3x plus 2, this is 5x, and minus this is friends 15 is equal to 180. Now this is 5x as it is, 180, bring minus 15 to right hand side plus, so 5x is equal to friends 195 degree. So we can write x is equal to, here x is equal to 195 divided by 5. So friends, 5 3 is 15, 5 3 is 15, 5 9 is friends 45. X is equal to 39, and we have to find the angles, means these two angles. So now friends, required angles required angle minus 3x minus 7. So 3 multiplied by 39 minus 7. Now this is 2 is balance minus 17. So this could be written as 112 degree. So this is the first answer. Just let me check. Now friends, see, 117 minus 7, this is 110 degree friends. Okay, now the second angle friends, second angle, that means second angle 2x minus 8. So 2 multiplied by the value of x is 39 minus 8. Now friends, 9 to 9 is 18, 1 is balance 7. So the next angle is 70 degree friends. Look at the 70 degree. This is 110, one angle is, this is 110, and this is 70 degree, and look at the sum of these two interior angles is 180 supplementaries. Okay, I hope you will understand. Now see the next question. Now see friends, question number 4 is given the figure, and the given is L and M are two parallel lines, S and T are two transversal. Now then we have to find the value of X and Y. Okay, now see friends, suppose this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, now see friends, from figure, solution, look at the friends, angle 1 is equal to 50 degree. Yes, you know, because friend, this is this one line, and this is the L is the one line and S is the another line, and intersect at this point. So this is the vertically opposite angle. We can say the vertically opposite angle. These two angles are equal. Similarly friends, angle 2 is equal to, have a look, angle 2 is equal to friends y degree. Why friends? Vertically opposite angle. Look at the friends, this is ray, one line L and another line T intersect at this point, and these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So these two angles are equal to angle 2 is equal to angle y. Now friends, see, look at this angle A and angle X are the interior angles on the same side of transversal, because now since friends L parallel M and S is transversal, so therefore friends, angle 1 plus X degree is equal to friends 180 degree, because friends 1 and X are supplementary angle, because both the angles are interior on the same side of transversal. Okay, interior angle on the same side of transversal. Okay, now this is angle 1 is given friends, angle 1 is found, this is 50 degree, and X and this is 180 degree. Now solve friends, X as it is 180 minus 50 becomes X is equal to friends, this is 130 degree. So this is the first answer. Now for Y friends, similarly friends, since L parallel to M, then L is parallel to M, and T is a transversal, it is a transversal, therefore angle 2 friends, angle 2 plus angle 65 plus angle 65 is equal to 180 degree, because interior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, now angle 2 is friends, this is y degree that we have find. Okay, here angle 2 is y degree, 65 as it is, 180 as it is. Now angle y is equal to friends 180 minus 65 degree, so this becomes friends, this is 5, and now it becomes 7, this is 1, and this is 150. So y degree is equal to angle 115. So this is this two answer. Now see friends, question number 5 says, from the given figure is the given, this figure is given, and now angle B is 65 degree, angle C is 45 degree, and DAE is the line which is parallel to BC given. Then find the value of X as well as Y. Now see the solution friends. Look at friends, so this line, this is friends, this line and this line, these two lines, since line DAE is parallel to BC, and AB friends, AB is as transversal. Okay, transversal, then we can say friends angle should only be the same DAB, angle DAB is equal to friends angle ABC, that means angle B, angle ABC. Reason friends, alternate interior angles. Look at friends, this is the D, this is the line, and there is one transversal as, this is point B, and here is the friends, this is X degree and this is 65 degree. We can say friends, these two angles means this angle is here friends, and this angle is here. these two angles equal because of alternate interior angle. So we can say the angle DAB, that means angle DAB friends, x degree is equal to ABC. This angle is 65 degree. Now similarly friends, we can find out, since similarly friends, angle Y is equal to 45 degree. Look at friends, this DAE is the line which is parallel to BC and AC is the transversal. So these two angles are friends these two angles are alternate interior. This is the alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are equal. So this is Y is equal to 45 degree. Okay friends. Now see friends, question number 6. In the given figure says a triangle ABC, and with this is line, and the angle ECAD is 35 degree, angle BAC is 80 degree, and now the given C is parallel to BA. See friends, C is parallel to BA. Then we have to find the first ACE. Friends, this angle. Okay, this angle is what? Now second one ACB. This angle is what friends? And ABC, and this angle. Look the figures attentively and now decide and find out solution friends. Here friends, these two angles, look at this, these two lines are parallel. So here this and this line are parallel friends. So this angle and this angles. Now see friends, see, since AB parallel C and AC is as transversal. Look at the friends, AB and EC. AB and C is parallel. Both the lines are parallel, and AC is transversal. Then look at the friends, this angle and this angle are friends alternate interior angles, and which are equal. Okay, now we can write friends angle ACE. ACE is equal to friends angle BAC. So angle ACE is equal to ACE is equal to, we can write angle ACE, or either here friends ACE is equal to ABA 80 degree. So this is first answer, and this is one number is answer. Now friends, this becomes 80 degree. Okay, now see once again friends, since AB parallel C and look at the friends, BD is as transversal. Look at this line AB, BA and C are parallel, and the line BD is transversal. Then this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. So the corresponding angles are equal friends, because the angles in between parallel and transversal, this is also the angle in between parallel and transversal, and this is just above the line and this is just above this line. So these two angles are friends corresponding and which are equals. Now we can say friends angle ABC is equal to friends angle ECD, which is 35 degree. So we can say angle ABC is equal to 35 degree. This is answer. Now this is the third number answer. Now the last friends, have a look. This is what friends? This is 35 degree. We can easily find out friends, this angle, this plus this is equal to 180 degree, because in a triangle ABC sum of three angles is 180 degree, or either we can find out the linear pair. Now friends, since in triangle ABC ABC. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle A is 80 degree friends. Angle B is 35 degree. So angle C could be written as friend ACE. This is ACE is equal to 180 degree. Now friends, add these two angles. This is 115 degree plus angle ACE is equal to 180 degree. So angle ACE is equal to 180 minus 115 degree. Okay. Now subtract. This becomes friends 65 degrees. So now the answer is 65 degree ACB. This is ACB friends. ACB. Here the ACB. Angle C is ACB. Okay. So mistake. ACB. Here ACB. Here also ACB. Because this angle C could be written as ACB. Okay. Now the ACB is 65 degree. So this is your answer. I hope friends you will understand. Now see next. See friends, question number 7 says in the given figure AO is parallel to CD and OB is parallel to EC, and the value of angles AOB is 50 degree. Then find the value of ECD, means this angle ECD. Now see friends, first now take solution, write the solution. Now since AO is parallel to CD, and we can consider friends this OB is as transversal. Okay. Now see friends, this look at this line and this line are parallel and this is transversal friends. OB is transversal, then both the angles, this angle are corresponding angle. We can say friends angle D is equal to, angle D means friends angle BDC. We can write the angle D or angle BDC is equal to angle AO. Now see friends, angle BDC, this angle is equal to friends angle AOB. Okay, angle AOB. Reason, corresponding angles. So angle BDC is equal to 50 degree. Now friends, this angle becomes 50 degree. Now we can move the next line friends. Here see this angle, since friends this is CE is parallel to DB friends, because here the given OB, here the friends OB is parallel to CE. We can write the OB friends, OB is parallel to CE. Okay, here friends this is OB is parallel to CE. We can say friends DB is also parallel, so DB is also parallel to CE. Because this OB is parallel to CD, we can say DB is also parallel to EC. And now friends, the transversal CD is as transversal. So then friends, we can say the angle BDC plus friends angle ECD. Angle ECD is equal to friends 180 degree friends, because the interior angles on the same side of transversal, are supplementary. So angle BDC is given friends, this is 50 degree, and now angle ECD is equal to 180 degree. So this is angle ECD is equal to 180 minus 50 degree. So we can say friends, therefore angle ECD is equal to 180, this is 130 degrees. So this is the answer. I hope friends you will understand. Now see the